Whether camping with your friends or leading a solo expedition in the wild, it's always wise to stay prepared for an emergency. In that case, a lightweight yet durable survival shelter can be an excellent investment to keep yourself warm and protected till you get rescued. However, as there are many different survival shelter options and tent options available in the market, it might be challenging to choose the appropriate one for you. So in today's video, we will talk about the 6 must-have emergency survival shelters just for you. So let's jump right into it.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
In the beginning, we have the Titan Survival Emergency Blanket, a compact survival shelter designed for heat retention during an emergency. It's made of non-toxic polyolefin film, making it softer and lightweight, yet 41% thicker than most other sleeping bags. And that helps to retain and reflect up to 90% of your body heat back to you. Plus, it helps to stay warmer in ever-changing weather conditions and prevents potential hypothermia and cold shock. Due to its compactness, a single adult can easily fit in or use it as ground cover, impromptu shade, and much more. Besides, each of them is tear-resistant, waterproof, reusable, and can be rolled to store again. And finally, you can choose from its 3 different color options. So that's a bonus. Set your emergency shelter within minutes with the UST Survival Reflect Tent, a lightweight and easy-to-pack option that is highly visible from a far distance. Along with excellent heat retention, it's made from highly reflective material so that anyone can spot it from a great distance. Plus, for its included 14 feet suspension cord, you won't require any additional pole to set it up. It's wide enough for a single person with their gear. Because it's a water-resistant and fire-retardant tent, you can use it as a ground cloth, tarp, and much more. And finally, weighing in at around 5 ounces, the UST Survival Reflect Tent is a lightweight single-person shelter tent that offers high visibility so that rescuers can spot you easily. Whether you are hiking with your wife or a friend, stay prepared for the worst with the Don't Die in the Woods Survival Tent, a lightweight and durable survival shelter to protect you in hazardous weather conditions. Built from heat-flex polyethylene material, it provides extra thickness and flexibility than conventional mylar. Hence, it's super durable and reflects 90% body heat back to protect you from cold, wet, and even hot weather conditions. Besides, you can run the paracord through it, tie it to a tree branch or rock to set up your tent, and 2 adults can fit inside it without any problem. However, if you can't tie the cord, simply convert it to a survival bivvy as well. And finally, if it's summertime, keep the silver interior outside to reflect heat away and stay cool. The Don't Die in the Woods Survival Shelter is suitable for countless survival uses throughout the year. Introducing the Go Time Go Life Tent, featuring excellent waterproof and dustproof characteristics, and can room 2 adults in an emergency survival situation. Its construction is pure, puncture-resistant, and ultra-thick, making it ultra-durable and effortlessly locks out the rain, wind, and even snow. Hence, 90% of your body heat will be reflected back to you. Plus, no matter how the weather is, it'll keep you protected from hypothermia. Simply set it up by rolling the included nylon paracord through it and tie it to a steady object. In case you fail to find any, you can use it as a sleeping bag as well. Besides, its 120 decibel whistle will cut through dense forest and strong wind to reach rescuers within a 1-kilometer distance. So it'll allow you to stay alive in hazardous weather conditions and signal for help. Remain warm and dry with the Soul Escape Bivvy, an emergency shelter that ensures life-saving warmth no matter how bad weather is. Plus, it's an excellent value for the money you spend. Its breathable fabric acts as a shield against condensation and reflects 70% body heat back to you. Hence, the moisture easily escapes and you get ambient warmth and stay dry inside it. In addition, its durable fabric has excellent puncture and tear resistance, making it more dependable and reusable to match your needs. Also, you can protect your camping gear as it's waterproof. It features a zipper and drawstring hood that completely seals out the elements, and its mummy-shaped construction ensures a trouble-free sleeping experience. And finally, its orange interior, along with the sturdy fabric construction, makes it an excellent value for money. And like the best of today's list, we have the Tact Bivvy 2.0, an emergency sleeping bag that offers high durability, lightweight construction, and much more within a small package. First of all, its heat echo technology can reflect 90% of your body heat to keep you warm and dry during an emergency. Plus, its waterproof, tear-resistant, and windproof body construction with tape seams makes it ultra durable, and therefore, it serves you for a long time. Besides, you can increase your body temperature up to 20 degrees by using it as a liner for a sleeping bag. And in case you get lost in the woods, you can light a fire with a drawstring or make a high-pitched sound with the attached whistle. In addition to that, its super bright orange color catches eyes from a long distance. In short, the Tact Bivvy 2.0 offers plenty of life-saving features, which you'll find helpful in a dire situation. So that was our list of the 6 must-have emergency survival shelters just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.